Join me as I challenge myself to unlock my door using just my phone and the ULTRALOQ Bolt NFC Smart Door Lock. Can I do it without any hiccups? The ULTRALOQ Bolt NFC Smart Door Lock is a game-changer in home security, offering innovative features that make accessing your home easier and more secure. With its cutting-edge technology, you can unlock your door with just a tap on your smartphone. Traditional locks can be a hassle, especially when you're carrying a bunch of keys or have to deal with forgotten combinations. We've all been there, fumbling for keys in the dark or worrying about someone borrowing a key and potentially misusing it. These locks just aren't designed for today's fast-paced, tech-savvy world. They can be easily picked or copied, which is a huge security risk. Moreover, traditional locks can also be a major inconvenience for homeowners who frequently need to give access to guests, service providers, or friends. Rekeying or making new keys can be time-consuming and costly. And let's not forget about the hassle of keeping track of multiple keys or combinations. In addition, traditional locks don't provide any records of who enters your home, making it difficult to keep track of who's coming and going. This can be a major concern for homeowners who value their security and peace of mind. The ULTRALOQ Bolt addresses these issues with its advanced features, including NFC technology, which allows you to unlock your door with a simple tap on your smartphone. It's also compatible with most smartphones, making it easy to use for just about anyone. The installation process is straightforward, and you can do it yourself without needing a professional. The ULTRALOQ Bolt is incredibly easy to use. Just download the app, follow the instructions, and you're good to go. The lock also comes with a physical key for emergencies, providing an added layer of security and convenience. Let's see the tap to unlock feature in action. To demonstrate, I'll simply tap my phone on the lock, and it should unlock smoothly. This feature is super convenient, especially when your hands are full or you're in a hurry. For instance, you can easily let in a guest or a delivery person without having to physically hand them a key. The tap to unlock feature also works flawlessly in various real-life scenarios, such as when you're carrying groceries or trying to get in quickly during bad weather. It's a seamless experience that makes you wonder how you ever managed with traditional locks. In terms of effectiveness, the ULTRALOQ Bolt's tap to unlock feature is fast and reliable. I've tested it multiple times, and it works like a charm every time. In conclusion, the ULTRALOQ Bolt NFC Smart Door Lock offers a convenient, secure, and innovative solution to traditional lock problems. With its advanced features and ease of use, it's an excellent choice for homeowners looking to upgrade their home security. If you've had any experiences with smart locks, I'd love to hear about them. Leave a comment below and let's chat. Also, be sure to check out my other videos on home automation for more cool tech to upgrade your home. ULTRALOQ 2025 Upgrade Bolt NFC Smart Door Lock, built-in Wi-Fi deadbolt 6-in-1 keypad keyless entry door lock and door sensor, auto unlock, IP65 waterproof, easy installation. EXCLUSIVEANDROID NFC Unlock your door effortlessly with our smart lock using Android NFC technology. Save money compared to Apple NFC options, and never worry about lost key fobs or cards. Simply tap your Android phone to unlock the door. BUILTINWIFI, the ULTRALOQ Bolt NFC Smart Lock has built-in Wi-Fi, enabling remote locking, unlocking, and access sharing via a smartphone app, no hub required. Control your door from anywhere. REMOTECONTROLLEDSMARTLOCK, elevate your home security with our NFC Smart Lock. Easily manage access from your smartphone, locking or unlocking your door from anywhere. Ideal for allowing guests in or keeping your home secure while you're away. 10MONTHBATTERYLIFE, powered by 8 AA batteries, this smart deadbolt offers twice the battery life compared to those with just 4. It delivers up to 10 months of reliable performance. Say goodbye to frequent battery replacements and worry free about sudden power outage. AUTOLOCK/UNLOCK, our smart lock automatically senses your approach, unlocking the door as you get close, no more fumbling for keys. Plus, the smart auto lock feature ensures the door locks securely once closed, effortlessly protecting your home. MONITORINGDOORSTATUS, get real time updates on your door status. Instantly know if your door is open or closed, so you're always in the know about your home's security. No more guesswork, just peace of mind, right at your fingertips. SECUREANDDURABLE, this NFC Smart Lock features an IP65 rating, providing excellent protection against water, dust, heat, and cold. Ideal for any climate, it guarantees reliable performance and durability, keeping your home secure in all conditions. DIYINSTALLATION, ULTRALOQ Bolt NFC Wi-Fi is designed to fit any US standard door. The simple installation takes minutes and only 4 screws. No wiring and no drilling. Enjoy the convenience of a quick setup that makes upgrading your security effortless.